Similarly, let's create a slab on the first floor as well. So if you'd like to create the slab on the first floor, you need to switch to the first floor level. So let's go to first floor slab top. Now in this level, I do not see a CAD plan because we placed our CAD plan on ground floor slab top and not on any other level. So that's very important to recognize in Revit, is that when you place a CAD plan, it would be placed only in the level that you placed it in. Let's place our other CAD plan in first floor level as well. So let's go to insert here. Let's go to link CAD and let's select our CAD file. So in this case, it would be first floor level. So you can notice that it is placed at a certain level. So in this case, it would be placed at level finished floor slab top. So I'm going to click on open and it is placed in place. Now we need to move this CAD plan. So let's unpin it. So we can click on unpin here and move it a bit. Now, since we've already created our grids here, we can use these grid intersections as our reference points. So even in this CAD plan, we have a grid. So I'm going to move it from this point to this intersection here. So I'm going to select the CAD plan, tap MV or click on the move tool, and then select this point, which is our intersection here of the grids, and move it to the intersection here. Perfect. So now it sits in correctly as well. So once you've created the grids, it's easier to place your other plans as you know exactly where you need to place them. So now let's create the first floor slab as well. So let's go to architecture, click on floor. We can use another type here. So let's go with concrete 6 inches this time. This is placed on first floor slab top. Let's use pick lines. And let's pick the exterior face of our core structural wall. In this case, we can simply select the CAD lines as well. Now there is an opening for the stairs. We would need an opening here. So that is why I'm selecting the interior face and not the exterior part of the stairs here. Perfect. So I've selected all the lines and now I can use the trim tool and trim off all these lines. Perfect. Once I'm done, I can click on finish edit mode. Okay, so sometimes you can notice that we have some errors here. Lines cannot intersect each other. So maybe when you have two lines in the same position, you have this problem. So you can simply delete those lines or you can undo. Let me double check where that problem is. Yeah, so the problem was not this line. So I'm going to undo, but rather a horizontal line here. So make sure to make a drag selection just to make sure that you have only one line here. And in case you have two lines, it highlights in Revit. So you can see that our pink line turns blue. So I'll need to simply select that and delete it and then click on finish edit mode. Now, generally, when you click on finish edit mode, you get this option here, which is whether you would like to attach your walls to the floor. In this case, or in most cases, I would highly recommend that you click on don't attach, because if you attach all your walls to the floors, it may cause issues in the future. So it would be advisable just to leave it as is and click on don't attach. So we've created our top floor slab here as well. And you can notice that it sits perfectly on top of our walls. Now, if you'd like to double check, I will show you in the next video how you can use if I go to my first floor slab, how you can use the underlay option in Revit. We'll talk about this in the next video. So I'll see you guys next video. Cheers.